I wanted to see how oils would fit into my intuitive process. Same abstract approach, different medium. And what happened? Let's find out. Hi there, I'm Janine. I'm an artist and I share my creative journey on this channel. Usually you see me paint with acrylics here, but I decided to try oil painting again. Not for the first time ever. I did use oils about 20 years ago, but that was in a completely different context. Representational painting, more traditional, more planned. And this is the first time I've ever tried using oils in a way I paint now. Abstract, intuitive, process based. And honestly, it felt a bit weird and exciting and frustrating and really interesting. So I'm starting small, just 2 little panels, and I'm using water mixable oils, plus also some oil sticks. So it's all a bit of an experiment. My usual medium is acrylic, along with all sorts of mixed media, inks, pencils, pastels. I love how quickly acrylics dry. I can layer almost immediately and respond in the moment and just keep building. I'll often use a hairdryer between layers when I need to, especially if I only have a short window to paint. And that kind of quick layering is really important to how I work. It keeps me connected to the painting, kind of like I'm in a conversation with it. And with oils, that whole rhythm changes. I'm realizing that pretty quickly. I did also expect that. If you like this video, consider subscribing. And the biggest difference is that everything stays wet, obviously, but it really shifts how I work. So if I want to make a new mark, it blends right into whatever's already there. So sometimes that's beautiful. I love those soft effects, but often I do end up muddying things. I kept wanting to keep going at the next thing and build the composition, but because everything is still so soft and wet, I was just messing up areas that I liked. I talk a lot about painting intuitively, and what I mean by that is I don't start with a plan. I might have a color or a material in mind, but I let the painting emerge. I respond to what's happening rather than trying to control the whole outcome from the beginning. So with acrylics, that's easy to do. I can make a mark, I can see how it feels, and then add something else right away. And if that doesn't work, then I just paint over it. But with oils, I need a lot more patience. I have to pause a lot. I have to wait for a week to add the next layer. And that's been a bit of a challenge for me. So if I wanted to use oils in my intuitive process, I would have to shift my expectations a little bit. Maybe I would have to work in shorter bursts or alternate between a few panels to give them more drying time. The oil sticks were interesting. I love how they glide on the surface, but again, they stay not wet, but they stay movable. And I laid down some beautiful marks, and then I immediately kind of smushed them around again because I didn't give them the time to settle. I hope this gave you a bit of an insight into what it's like using oils in an intuitive, abstract way. It's definitely a shift from how I usually work, and I don't think I'll be switching from acrylics anytime soon, but I'm curious to keep exploring. And if you've tried oils after using acrylics, or you're thinking about it, then let me know how it went for you in the comments. If you're totally new to this intuitive way of working, or maybe you want to get back into making art, then I have a free guide, my no pressure path to painting, which I'll link down below for you. And if you want to see how I usually work in layers with acrylic and mixed media, then take a look at my latest painting series. And I've linked the playlist in the description. Thanks and bye bye.